AppSumo launched 5 new deals today. So in this video, I'll go over each one, let you know what they are in alphabetical order. Now, if you want to know my personal rankings according to which of this week's drop is really catching my eye and I personally think is really worth buying, I put my personal rankings down in the description below. Now, if you're looking for the best software you can use to grow your business, I have my private Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. Now, I update this on a regular basis of the best tools that I find online, including many of the tools that I use on a regular basis. So you can actually grab this Notion doc for free by clicking the link down in the description below. Centillo Sign lets you upload documents and add signature fields for other people to sign online. You can drag and drop stuff onto your files before sending them out to people. It also lets you track who has signed or not, so you don't have to, constantly remind people or chase them to have them sign your documents. You can also share documents for review and get comments from your clients as well. If you are a freelancer or a small team, I suggest looking into Tier 1. Now, you should get Tier 2, which is tied to the enterprise plan if you want to run things for multiple brands or teams with separate templates, users, and branding, because you do have the custom branding and team management features for Tier 2. Nily AI helps you handle research, brainstorming, and content creation using different AI models. Okay, so you can generate and edit visuals like logos, plus work on code snippets for things like HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. It also lets you upload or paste in source code or text. Then you can tweak or update it right inside the tool. There's also a YouTube chat feature that can pull info from video transcripts for summaries and Q&A. If you are a heavy user, I suggest going for Tier 2 because it gets you 15,000 queries per month. Now, if you are a lighter user, then go for Tier 2. I think that should be perfectly fine. Stackable turns the WordPress block editor into a page builder that lets you create and design websites using blocks. You can pick from a design library and tweak layouts, the colors and fonts for different parts of your site. It also works with other plugins that use the WordPress block editor, so you can mix and match blocks from different sources. There are also tools for agencies as well, like user role controls and a CSS customizer. So I would suggest stacking as many codes as you can. So one code offers 3 sites, but if you are an agency or a freelancer who wants to use this for as many sites as possible, then you can stack up to 4 codes, which gives you unlimited websites. WebStarts is a website builder that lets you drag and drop elements to make your own pages on your website. You can also hook up your own custom domains and manage several sites. There's also a membership feature where you can keep some content private for logged in users, and you can also add forms and other bits to collect info from your website visitors. Now, if you are a freelancer or an agency, I suggest going for 3 codes so you can make as many sites and email addresses as you need, but you can get the single code tier if you just want a basic site for yourself with pretty decent storage and up to 5 custom emails. WowOptin is a WordPress plugin for making pop-ups that collect emails and leads for your business. So what's cool is that you can drag and drop elements to build your own pop-ups. You could also use their library of over 700 plus templates. There are also options to set up triggers like exit intent and page targeting, so your pop-ups show up at the right time. You can also see how your pop-ups are doing with built-in analytics, and you can also run A/B tests. Now, if you're just running one site, then I suggest going for the Tier 1, which is $59. But if you manage multiple sites, go for Tier 2 at $169 because it gives you unlimited site licenses. I think there were some pretty nice gems in today's drop. Again, if you want to check out my private rankings of which of today's deals are really catching my eye and I think you should take a very close look at, check out my rankings down in the description below.